right. Wednesday, midweek cruising. That's a pretty good turnout tonight. Yeah, a lot of stuff here. I'm John. This is Water Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Pretty good turnout here. Look at this 340 Barracuda. This is 67 to 69. This is probably my favorite year. Check that out. Oh, got a. That's when the folks leaving early. It's okay. Plenty of stuff left to see. Chevelle. We've covered him before. I think that's got an LS in it, and air conditioning and everything. Look at that. That's the fastback. They came in a notchback as well. Mike's Mustang. Hey, what's going on? Not much. Here's our G8. Check this out. This vehicle was not for sale. Don't try to buy it. This Omni has a minivan powertrain swapped in it. Oh, look at that. Best neon. That's cool. All right, what else do we have? Well, we got to back up to get the big Chrysler in there. Seen him before. There's Frank's Spirit of Leonardtown 32 Ford. This is all steel. That is a 427 FE Ford motor with 2 4s in there. Pretty neat stuff. It's the Chrysler again. It's 33 or 34 Ford with small block Ford power. 36 Ford. This one also is small block power. Look at the flames on this. Pretty neat. Chevy. I like this one a lot. They're all nice. It's got a rumble seat. There's the steps for it. And there's a nice bike there. Sun's getting ready to go down. And the guys always getting ready to leave in the Omni. There's a group of folks. Hey, what's going on?
Killing me, man. Killing me.
Hey, John, how you doing?
Good. How you doing? Got a Porsche. What year is this?
1980.
1980. I always forget.
SC RSR. Super. SC stands for Super Carrera. Carrera means race. RSR means Rennsport Racing. And it's fast.
That thing is neat. I've ridden in this car before. It is nice, tight, quiet. Pretty neat stuff.
It's all next up on this. There's more balls.
Yes, indeed. That's David Gates' Mustang. Ford power. Look at all that.
Ran them all the way down.
No Chevy in this one. Said no Chevy in this one. Got a 51 Buick, I think. We talked to this guy before. It's a nice original car. Look at the chrome on it. Buick 8. Says it right in the grill there. That's a beautiful car. Look at the engine. Nice. Got a little bit haphazard start on these rows here. Beautiful 55. Hardtop, no post. Hey, look, Martin's here with his Mustang. Let's go around here and start at the other side of this row so we can get these.
I don't think.
Check this out.
Working. I mean,
FM converter from Tim. Vintage speed. Well, vintage sound accessory. That's pretty neat. There's Robert 66 F100. Nice original truck. There's Billy's Corvette. Here's Paul's 37 Buick. Hey, how you doing? Look at that. We always take a look at the motor on that. And it's Martin's Mustang. Got some mods there under the hood. '67 Mustang. That's nice. Small block Ford.
Cut it and then get a 2-inch coupling.
66 Olds 442. It's got a 455 in it instead of the original 400. Kind of an improvement. It's a 4-speed car. It's pretty neat. Ford Ranger. How about that? I'll drive it. Nice old truck. 69 Chevelle. I've seen this one before. It's got it raised up all the way around. Cold air system here on the small block. That's pretty neat. Nice truck. Falcon. Seen this one before. It's got air conditioning on it. 350. Pretty neat. The Corvette. Looking pretty good there. I like the stripes on top of the fender. It's kind of an overview of the show, and the sun going down over there is nice October evening here. Got some more stuff. Check this out. 50 Mustang. We got some meat on the back of it there. Looks like he's ready for action. I like the black roof on there. I actually like that whole car a lot. There's Tim's 32. Ford 5-window, chopped back in the day. It's got a 392 Chrysler Hemi from the 50s in there and a blower. Look at that. And there's the interior. I don't know if I could fit in this thing. Uh-oh. Somebody trapped in the trunk. I think that'll do it for the midweek cruise in here on Wednesday. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We really appreciate it.